Hello friends, welcome to Insight Learners. So in this video we have multiple job updates, so we shall quickly see one by one. So the first company, it is Flexera of campus, is hiring. So the job details, so the job role or the job title, so they are hiring for associate software engineer, and the degree required, so it is for bachelor's degree, and even postgraduates are eligible to apply, and the batch eligible, so the recent batches are eligible, and the experience required, so it is for freshers, and the salary or the CTC, it is 4 to 6 lakhs per annum, and the job or the work location, so it is Bangalore, and that to hybrid mode. So these are the job details for the Flexera. So we shall see the skills which are needed for this particular job role. So the skills, like you need to have experience in data analytics within an agile software development, and also proficient in Jira configuration, customization and administration, and also experience with the various Jira plugins, and proficient in Power BI for data visualization and reporting, and strong understanding of agile methodologies, it can be Scrum or Kanban, and you need to be strong in at least one programming skills, and also solid SQL skills for data querying and analysis is needed, and also familiar with the version control tools like GitHub, so it's an added advantage for this particular job role. So then to apply for this job role, you can click on apply now. So these are the ways to apply for this particular job role. So you can autofill with resume. Second option, like you can apply manually by filling all the details, or if you already have the account with Workday Jobs, you can use your last application, and the last step is you can directly apply with LinkedIn. So these are the 4 ways to apply for this particular job role, so you can choose accordingly and apply for this job. So this is all about the first company, that is Flexera. So the second company which is hiring, so it is Seagate of campus hiring, and the job details are, so they are hiring for Python automation, that is for intern. So the degree required, so it is for bachelor's degree or master's degree, and the experience needed, so for freshers, and the salary or the CTC, so the expected salary, it is 3.6 lakhs per annum, and the work location, so it is Pune. So we shall see the skills which are needed for this particular job role, that is Seagate. So the programming skills is, you need to have knowledge in at least one programming, it can be Python, C, C++ or Java programming, and apart from that you need to have knowledge in test automation and framework design, and good to have knowledge of algorithms and data structures, and like one should be able to quickly learn the new tools and technologies. So these are the skills which are needed for this particular job role. So to apply for this Seagate, first you need to create an account. So if you already have the account, you can directly log in. So first step is you need to upload like your documents, like you need to upload your resume, and if you wish you can also add the cover letter, and other documents like any of the certifications if you have done, you can add that, so it will be easy way to shortlist, and your phone number and everything, and then job specific information, then your education details, and then the language and the skills, and then some of the terms you need to agree and apply for this particular job role. So this is about the second company, that is Seagate of campus hiring. So then the third company, it is Frugal product services hiring. So the job role, it is for Java developer, and the experience required, so it is for 2 to 5 years of experience, and the salary or the CTC, it is 4 to 7 lakhs per annum, and the work location, it is Hyderabad. So this job, like the skills which are needed for this particular job role, so as they are hiring for 2 to 5 years of experience, so you need to be strong in many of the skills, like you need to have database skills, it can be MySQL, Oracle, and also hands-on experience with AWS, it can be S3 bucket and RDS, and also experience in containerization technologies such as Docker, Kubernetes and OpenShift, and main thing is you need to be strong in Java programming. So these are the main skills which are needed for this particular job role. So it is through Naukri.com, so you can register and apply if you don't have the account. If you already have the account with Naukri.com, you can directly log in, and you can just edit your application and apply for this particular job role. So this is about the third company, that is Frugal product services. So these are the 3 job updates. So the link for all 3 job updates, it will be provided separately in the description. You can quickly go and apply for this job roles. Thank you friends for watching, and do subscribe our channel for more updates.